Hello, my name is Ginny Lucido, and I've been a member of this parish for approximately 35 years. So here we are in Lent, where we reflect on our own personal strengths and shortcomings. What can I offer others, and what do I need to change? If I had to describe myself in a word, it would be hope. Not a wishful thinking kind of hope, but a hope grounded in trust. Hope requires trust. If I find my hope lagging, then I need to go and fix my trust. I know how much a part of me hope is because I remember how lost I was when I was in danger of losing hope. My first husband, Tom, was dying after a 3-year roller coaster ride of cancer, the ups and downs, elating ups, despairing downs. I was becoming a person I didn't recognize, gripped by fear, trying to remain positive and encouraging, and trying to escape at the same time, where there was no escape. In the midst of this personal darkness, God got my attention in a way that He knew I would understand. He sent me an avalanche of rainbows, the perennial symbol of hope. They were everywhere I turned. I couldn't avoid them. I can't even describe them to you because there are too many in the interest of time. But they were real ones in the sky, others in song, pictures, shopping trips that I would take, clothing. Everywhere I turned, I saw them. Sometimes our God is subtle, and sometimes not so much. Some people would say that those were coincidences. Others say there are no coincidences. It doesn't matter. I got the message. He said, "You are a person of hope. Don't forget it. Trust me." Light came out of that darkness for me. It gave me the courage I needed to carry me through the pain and loss. So, my community, for which I am so grateful, I offer you this Lent my hope and the light that God gave to me. I believe we all have our own part to play in drawing out the light in our short time on this planet. The Talmud is a Hebrew scripture which contains a reading that I particularly like. It says, "Do not be daunted by the enormity of the world's grief. Do justly now, love mercy now, walk humbly now. You are not obligated to complete the work, but neither are you free to abandon it." Thank you for listening, and have a blessed Lent and Easter.